Franchising is regulated and requires compliance with federal and state franchise laws. The franchise disclosure document, also called the FDD, is the legal document you'll need to sell franchises. It's required by federal and state law and is the legal foundation for your franchise. You are required to give prospective franchisees your FDD no less than 14 days before signing any agreement with a franchisee or accepting any payments from a franchisee. The FDD is broken down into 23 mandated sections, with each section referred to as an item. Each item is intended to inform a prospective franchisee about you, your franchise, and the legal obligations between you and your future franchisees. This includes information about royalties, territories, startup costs, and more. Simply put, it's all the legal stuff packaged up in one document before you can offer or sell a franchise. Yes, your FDD has to be updated at least annually. In franchise registration states, the FDD must be approved and registered with state regulators before you can offer or sell a franchise in that state. There are also some states that require franchise filings or business opportunity filings before you can sell a franchise. When you franchise your business, it means that you have taken the necessary legal and business steps to sell franchises, support franchisees, and grow your brand. First and foremost, your franchise lawyer will have to prepare and issue a franchise disclosure document that complies with federal and state law. When dealing with states that require FDD registration and filings, you'll also have to register or file your FDD with the state in order to be able to sell franchises. Your business systems, and personal goals need to align with franchising. When you franchise, you will be responsible for recruiting, training, and supporting franchisees as your brand grows. Your FDD should be prepared to comply with federal and state-specific franchise laws, and should be specific to your business and the franchise that you are offering. You will be providing a confidential operations manual to your franchisees. Your operations manual must document and inform you franchisees about all system requirements and information needed to develop, open, and operate the franchise business. You must register your trademarks with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. You will need to establish a new franchise entity, typically a corporation or limited liability company. Your new franchise company will be in the business of selling franchises, supporting franchisees, and building systems to grow. Before you can sell franchises in franchise registration states, or franchise filing states, you must file the appropriate applications and notices. Even after your legal documents are complete, determining your initial franchise sales strategy and setting a budget is critical. Evaluate your target franchisees, target markets, interest in your franchise, and a realistic budget for attracting, training, and supporting franchisees. The franchise development process typically takes between 90 to 120 days to go from where you are today to being a franchisor legally able to offer and sell franchises. However, once you franchise your business, you're just getting started. Now, if you want to know more about the franchise disclosure documents, click at this video. And yes, please do subscribe for the best valuable content.